Okay, tax season is right around the corner. Actually, Friday is the first day you can file if you want to get an early jump on things. And since many of us are working from home now, is there a deduction for that? Raj Mathai is here with some answers. And Raj, give us the scoop, please.
Yes, here it is. That's the #1 question. WFH. So many of us have created workspaces and have adjusted our homes. Never thought we'd be doing the 6 o'clock news from a bedroom at my house. But here we are doing all of this, and it costs money. So can we get some money back, or at least get a break from the government, right? We're buying new printers, we're increasing our internet speed, new chairs, and of course skyrocketing PG&E bills, all happening at home when parents and kids are going to school at home. So does that mean anything when it comes to paying taxes? Can we deduct any of this? We asked our NBC News business correspondent.
Well, most likely the answer is no. For people who have full-time jobs, you're not going to get that opportunity. There's a good chance your company will give you some sort of stipend and you might be able to expense it internally. But if you are working a full-time job, it is not something you can deduct on your taxes. You can if you run your own business. If you're self-employed, you can make those deductions. But for people like you and me, it's a no.
Could this change, perhaps, Stephanie, maybe in the next tax year?
Most likely not, given the way our tax code works. Something that has changed for a lot of people, though, so many of us have relocated. 16 million Americans changed their address this year, whether it was recent college grads who moved home to save money and they're living with their parents, or a lot of people, you're in San Francisco, I'm normally in New York, left cities to move to more rural areas with space. And when so many of us were packing up our things, we didn't really think about our taxes. But guess what? We need to pay them. In many cases, people are going to need to pay in 2 states. Now, it depends on what state you live in. Certain states have different deals. So if there was a year where you were going to step up and spend the money for some professional tax advice, this might be the best year to do it, given how complicated our lives have become because of the pandemic.
Pretty good advice there from Stephanie Rule. So here are a couple notes for you. Yep, it's tax season. File early. Why do you want to do that? Well, you can get your refund sooner. That's good news. Or if you owe money, you can get on a payment plan sooner as well if you need to. Filing starts this Friday. We mentioned that. This is a shorter window to file now, so you kind of get up on the ball. The deadline, not like last year. Remember, last year we had an extended deadline into the summer, but this year it's back to normal, April 15th. So Jessica, Janelle, don't shoot the messenger, but tax season is here. We'll send it back to you.
Yeah, not what anybody wants to hear. All right, thank you, Raj.